Are you tired of giving refunds to so many customers on Amazon and you ship products to customers yourself? If so, I'm going to be showing you about the new safety claims platform on Amazon that shows you exactly how to get those refunds back. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire and stay a millionaire on Amazon. Let's dive in. So here's Amazon's announcement. You can track summary of safety claims with the new dashboard. We've launched a new safety claims dashboard to help you monitor your safety claims and related reimbursements. You can now get information with your claims, percentage, you can claim the amount granted, and you can see why you've been denied for your past claims and your top 3 product claims. So safety claims allows you to appeal Amazon's decision to issue a refund. So pretty much what are safety claims? So a safety claim, the purpose is allow you as a seller to seek reimbursement from Amazon in situations where they believe a refund was issued to a buyer was unfair. So if Amazon gives a refund to a buyer and you're pissed about it, Amazon shouldn't have, you can dispute it through a safety claim. Sellers can file a safety claim if they believe that it was invalid, the refund was invalid. You submit a claim with evidence like photos, tracking information that shows it was actually delivered or the package wasn't damaged, you purchased it new. If approved, Amazon reimburses the seller for the costs, allowing them to recover. So this is how you file one, and pretty much what you're going to do to figure out this platform is you're going to go to sellercentral.amazon.com/safety claims. And this is it right here, the safety claims new dashboard that I was talking about. And you can see all fulfillment channels, the claim date, the last 30 days, right? You can last the last 90 days, whatever you want to do. If there is an issue and a refund has been given by Amazon and you're an FBM seller, this is where you can pull back those refunds. Because what happens a lot of times as an FBM seller is the customer gets the product and they complain, hey, I didn't receive it, even though it shows delivered. Or they say, hey, this is the wrong product or it's been damaged, right? And then the Amazon will give them a full refund and you just lost out, and you can't stay in business if Amazon keeps giving these customers refunds. So you can start saying what was granted, what was denied, what's under investigation, and you can wait for the seller response and actually file the claim here. And you can file a new safety claim up here if Amazon did give somebody a refund and they shouldn't have gotten it, which happens a lot. So this is a great platform just to check out if you're an FBM seller. And that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I recommend you subscribe to the channel because we're going to be giving you a lot of great information that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. If you want us to create a video, please drop a comment below and we'll start creating some videos on the comments that you leave. Not only that, if you need help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group.com. Not only do we specialize in Amazon, but we also specialize in Walmart, eBay, Etsy, and international expansion on Amazon. If you work with us, you're going to have your own dedicated consultant that was personally trained by me for over 2 years, and they're going to be the ones managing your account, making sure your designs are optimized, your SEO, your new account listings are created and created properly, premium A+ content, all of that stuff. So that way you can focus on being a boss and not working in your business every day on BS like calling Amazon. That's our job. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com and ask us about our full service management. That's it for today's video. I'm Josh Hackett and I'm signing out.